Hello kalubianon chess players. So adi na kita aton ikatulong chess video lesson. So hini nga chess video aton kikitaon an usa ka opening nga tinatawag na Ruy Lopez opening. So ang gisisiring na opening nagtitikang hin e4 nga dinhi and black ma-reply e5 para di maka-advance an aton e4 pawn, and after knight f3 ginatak an e5 pawn. So knight c6 defending. Ganini dinhi na naton makikita or makikilala ng opening Ruy Lopez opening after na position after bishop to b5. Kung hain an idea, may da indirect attack ha e5. Kung hain kung makuha an knight c6, then an e5 mawarayan ang depensa nga pwede na tiya makapture free. So hini dinhi ang black nagdepensa ha e5 kay para for example in kaso na makaon na knight ha c6, may dala again depensa gyapon na e5 with d6 pawn. So after bishop takes c6, doubling the c file, recapture, then pwede na mag castle on white. So although an white tini waray double bishop, pero na crippled pawns man ang iya c file, so may dagyapon compensation, although mas makusog gyapon an may da ka bishop pair. So din niya pagpadayon, knight f6 attacking the e4 pawn, rook to e1 defending, and again bishop to e7 completing hand development kingside para pwede niya mag-castle. h3 avoiding pin bishop g4 para waray bishop g4 pin and knight para ang knight maka-move freely. For example, later on mag-play yan d4. So ini kingside castling, and then so like I said, d4 opening some diagonals for the white bishop on c1 and attacking the e5 pawn also. Kunain may dala one defender versus two attackers, knight ngayon pawn. So dinigi capture na, syempre dapat dire maalkansi opening. So knight takes, recapture, ngan may attack ha c6 pawn which is undefended. So bishop b7 normal moves, gin defend an undefended pawn ha c6, and again developing a piece, good move. Then he h6, so gi-avoid din he and bishop to g5 na move with the same manner and h3 kanina. Pero after h6 ini, although medyo passive and defensive from g file, pero dini an white hini nag-penetrate na ha kingside. For example, after knight f5 trying to attack the h6, or maybe gusto kuha na bishop pair para magpatas na hera and white ngayon black para wala na double bishop. So dini nag-retreat. So again with this move medyo passive talaga an uyag dinihan black kay an knight na limit na scope niya control the defense pag atras niya dida h6. So tugtog na niya g5 and f6 rather than for example dida knight f6 may daya attack e4, may da h5 for example, or maybe d5 g4 control. So dida pagbaya niya knight to h7 nakasulod ang queen kay waray naman knight ha f6. So after hinina position may dala threat pagmati ha g7. So dinhi ang black nagreply him bishop to f6 para waray mate, pero may dala tiraan white inihin knight retreat la. An idea is masulod ya for example g3 or even nga to knight to h5 may atake ha g7 pawn para may dala 3 attackers versus 2 defender, the king and bishop f6. So dini nag sidestep and black king hoping na tumira hin g6 para mawara ito na post, knight post ta f5. Again knight g3 trying to attack the king side. Ngan din yan black tumirahan bishop to f8 hoping na magkaada knight exchanges ato a bishop. For example, after bishop takes F5. Pero padayon gyapon din yan ideahan white para may that threatening to mate or atake hacking side. So dinhi G6 hoping na ma-fork ang knight, pero gin-allow la dinhi hinina move han black and bishop takes h6. Kunain lamang na ang white tinihin pawn. Pero pakina paano daw kung after pawn takes h5 and knight is equal to 3 pawns while the pawn is equal to 1. So lamang gyapon ang black ha material with 2 pawns, pero hina position by the na threatening mate and 2. After, for example, bishop to g7 check. So dida only move or maybe king to g8, pero may the knight h6. So ito may the knight, for example, knight ganing queen nakatutok na didi. So after queen takes g7, mati na dayon ang black king. So pagbalik ka katikangan e4 e5 and after knight f3 knight c6. So amin ni mga sangkay and Roy Lopez opening after bishop to g5. Sa mula to mga sangkay da, mga salamat.